New Zealand Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern has accepted an invitation from Scott Morrison to join tomorrow's National Cabinet meeting. Let's go live to New Zealand correspondent Jackson Williams for more. Jackson, obviously there's a bit of trans-Tasman travel in the future. What else are we expecting to be discussed?
Well, the COVID Safe app in Australia, New Zealand, Tom, doesn't have a contact tracing app in place. So that's something that will likely be discussed between Jacinda Ardern and Australia's leaders. But as you say, there's significant interest in this idea of a trans-Tasman travel bubble, allowing Australians and New Zealanders to travel freely between the two countries. This is an idea, a concept that has been discussed at the highest level between Scott Morrison and Jacinda Ardern. A short time ago today, New Zealand's top health official, Dr. Ashley Bloomfield, confirmed that there is constant dialogue between officials here and their Australian counterparts. Dr. Bloomfield says what is essential for this idea to become a reality is for there to be an agreed set of public health pillars. He says that they must be established for travel, for border restrictions in both countries to be eased, to allow people from the other country to travel across the Tasman. Of course, New Zealand and Australia have both received significant global praise for their handling, for their response to the COVID-19 crisis. So no doubt tomorrow will present an opportunity for Australia's leaders to hear directly from Jacinda Ardern and New Zealand's elimination strategy that it has pursued. There has been fewer than 1,500 cases of coronavirus in New Zealand. Significantly, quite a major milestone today that has been recorded, Tom. 0 new cases for the first time since prior to New Zealand going into lockdown. The health chief, Dr. Ashley Bloomfield, he says it is cause for celebration, but he says people must not slack off.
Clearly, these are encouraging figures today, but it is just one moment in time. The real test is later this week when we factor in the incubation period for the virus and the time it takes for people to display symptoms, which is generally 5 to 6 days after exposure.
Tom, we're set to hear from Jacinda Ardern this afternoon. She'll hold a post-cabinet media conference at 2 o'clock Australian Eastern Standard Time, where she is likely to outline some further details of what she will be hoping to raise in this phone hookup with Australia's National Cabinet tomorrow morning.